Your face don't look like this. You can't see these. Where the youngsters at? They ain't puffy. Oh, you like something besides the bin? Look at it. Look at the cleanness.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Helena. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can't see what's going on around here, boy.
Yeah.
I need to get some subs. Get them some subs.
Looking fit. And over here, look with some jeans. Are these some purple jeans?
And I hate how they fit too. Hate how they fit.
What do you mean? What don't you like?
I mean, they fit perfect. I just got to get used to them.
Yeah, you're not a jean wearer, bro.
Don't fit it with the Louis. I didn't even intend to do this with the Louis belt, shoes, hat, purple jeans.
Intend to do it.
You like my cup?
Kia Sean.
Yeah, I guess so.
That's my cup.
Hey, chill out, hater. Chill out, hater.
Okay, so I'll just...
You could be sleeping with a hater right in the bed with you, man.
Got a hater in my bedroom.
Got a hater in my bedroom.
Those mugs look good, huh?
I think those are the 3 that I needed.
Okay. Yeah.
I forgot we had these. Look at this. I forgot we had these, man. Y'all go to hyphylife.com, man. Get yours today. Hello.
How you doing today, guys?
Good. How you doing? Good. My green tea. Yeah. Keep you healthy, man.
Hey, guys, get your name, sir.
Oh, just. That's good. You got it in there.
You got your cup with you?
No, give me...
With the cup.
Yeah, with the cup. What do they got? Oh, they got real.
I seen the name. I had to come in. I seen that name. I had to come up in here, see what's going on. You know. Okay. And it was going on for the black man. How you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Hey, how you doing?
It's your store. Go on.
Oh, yeah. See, we ain't been here for the black man. Black man store.
Oh, I like
Oh
this
my
stuff.
God, I love these pearls.
They got some nice stuff.
Those are so pretty.
Dominoes. Oh, they said black man.
Made?
Black man.
Or like
Dominoes?
Y'all gotta have black man prices too. I'm always looking for a deal.
This one's $150.
150, that ain't too bad.
You don't play cribbage, I gather.
Huh?
You play dominoes, but not cribbage, right?
What's cribbage? I don't even know what that is.
Cribbage is one of the first games I learned when I was growing up because it taught you how to count, add things.
Oh.
But this is the cribbage counter on top.
Interesting.
So it's a card game. You use regular cards.
Oh, is it like there's like math involved in it? Like
Yeah.
like
Yeah, you
oh, I
try to-
have 2 5s. I'm gonna take that 10.
2 5s is worth, yeah, exactly.
Like,
A
oh
pair,
yeah, I used to play that
pair
all the
for
time.
2, right?
Yeah.
Just come
Like
with
there's
it.
a 4.
I
I
know,
have
that's
to
a
choose to take that 4, and whoever has many at the end wins or
Nothing
something.
about you know how to play
I never played
dominoes?
that.
No.
I know how to play dominoes.
You don't know how to play
I don't play
dominoes?
dominoes.
I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. I'm
It
teaching.
is the easiest thing
I'm
in
gonna
the
teach
world.
him. I'm gonna buy
Okay,
it.
we need to get
Yes,
this.
okay.
I like that. And this too, the cutting board. So you wouldn't cut on this, would you?
It's like, darn it, I thought I knew how to play. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it's the same price, but this one is the double.
6s. Yes, that's what I want. The 6s makes it, yeah,
Let's do this.
more classic.
That's okay.
Ah, look at you guys. Where y'all going?
How you doing?
Where y'all going? Looking all good. How you
Really
doing?
good.
So what did you got?
Interesting.
So, you know, Helena was like, look at the name of that store. So I'm like, I went in there and they had something a black man would play. You know, they had the black man #1 game. Some dominoes. Look at you with the beard.
I know, just
Does he not
trying to
look
look a bit more
good?
sophisticated.
You ready for Miami?
Looks like you should be in Miami or something.
Exactly. Looking nice.
Well, I knew you was coming, so I thought, you know,
Look
I
at
have
that.
to...
What's that? Alligator belt?
No, I don't know. It's kind of snakeskin.
Let me get along, man. Let me get along.
Got fairly comfortable.
Oh yeah, nice.
Interesting.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Hey, how you doing? Hey guys.
Hey.
Hey.
Coffee or anything?
No, I'm fine. I just had a green tea.
Green tea.
Yeah.
You want one, yeah?
What's up with the guys? I'm in lovely Newport Beach. And about to do a tour with my boy Matt. We did an interview before. It's been about a couple years, probably more than a couple years. I need to see. And for those that see my gym, he gave me all those dumbbells. So that was awesome. And he, you know, getting his podcast, his social media up to par. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun, and he gonna ask me some questions, and y'all get to learn a little bit more about me. Dang.
We have our 4 cameras
Wow.
here, so there you go. We'll have to share footage.
Professional, man.
Cali.
Matt been doing it like this. So when did we do that interview in Vegas?
It was.
That had to be about 3-4 years ago.
It was 4 years ago. Yeah. In the Venetian.
Well, I'm looking for houses out here.
You did some shopping then. Come on, tell us what you bought next door.
Oh yeah, I just bought some. You know, they had a store over there. A store called Black Man. So when I went in there, I saw what a black man likes to play. So I went ahead and bought it, some dominoes.
So that's a black man game, is it?
Black man game, man.
Yeah. So
At that time, man, the hospital, all that just seemed like a dream. You know, I did that video that's on social media while I was in the hospital. It was like, I didn't believe it. You know, and to this day, I still got to remind myself, my body reminds me now, because it's just that fear and the thoughts. And it's a messed up position to be in. Because now, every day, all day, I'm thinking about dying. Like, you know, that's why I say everything is so urgent now that, and luckily I had my life insurance already, because I wouldn't have been able to get none. Yeah. So that was a blessing because when I had my kids, I got everything in order.
yeah, so much, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, with a shirt.
I need one of these.
Then let's do a gangster one. Just
Teach him.
There you go.
woo, boy. I gotta hurry up. I gotta hurry up and get this workout in, because you know I'm driving GT500 today, so I said, man, Hypey Whitey, we got to take out a little time. I know we having fun driving these beautiful cars. We got to take out some time, go get a workout in. So we're here to work out. I'm going to mix up some Hypey mud. That's the best grape flavor. Make sure y'all get the grape. I know y'all love the watermelon, but you got to go get the grape, right? And we got the grape Go Wild. Go wild, go wild, go wild, go wild. So we're gonna mix these two here up. Open that up. I hate when they get on the sides. Ooh, look at that texture. No supplement company in the world got that texture. I gotta watch how much stuff I take, so I don't need to overdo it, y'all. You know, if you young, healthy, go for it, baby. Go take what's the suggested amount. Can't find my scooper. Alright, take some of that right there. Damn. Ooh, look at that color. Look at it. Will you look at it? Will you look at it? Look at that. Will you look at that? Will you look at that? Ah, it's so good. Let's get to work. Oh, that's just a warm-up, baby. Yeah.
Good set, good set.
Thank you, so good. Got Hypey White up here with the ambition outfit.
Be ambitious.
You know what I'm talking about? Let's see the stitching on the other side. Ooh, y'all better go buy it, man. Hurry up, hypelife.com.
What you waiting on?
Let's see what he got on these pull-ups. Yeah, real producer behind the camera now. Look at this. Look at this flow. Yeah, get that money, boy. Show out for the camera, man. Show out for the camera. Show out for your fans and subscribers, man.
Followers and subscribers.
Yeah. Eesh. 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 Ah. Woo, that was hard, boy. Get that stretch and get that squeeze without rocking and jerking. Woo. I might show him how shredded I am today, Hypey.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I might show him how shredded I am today. Yeah. Eesh. Ah. Sheesh. God, how look at that. I do like that other boy. I do like, you don't know how to feel like.
What's that hand doing? Y'all can see him. His hand's like this. What's that doing?
Oh, that's
Gyroscoping? Oh, God.
that ninja filming, boy. Look at that ambitious sweatsuit on the back. Ooh, look good.
Yep.
See that? Squeezing all the way to the back. Stretching. That's how you do this here. See, we got the cable. Don't need super heavy weight. Focus on the back. Yeah, buddy.
Ah, damn.
Oh, that hypey mud go wild got me crazy, boy.
Going crazy.
Go crazy. I'm gonna show him how crazy it got me too.
Come on, OG. Keep pushing. Good money.
I'm gonna show him today that I'm the most shredded mother on social media, man. Without T3, without clean, without trend. All natty. I'm crazy.
How many is that? Like 20?
15.
Damn, seemed like a lot.
Oh yeah, 15 a lot to them. All they do is 6s and 8s.
Damn.
We double up what they do. Nah. They get puffy. They don't have this jawline.
Sit. Oh, so when you got that going on right there, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Your face don't look like this. You can't see these.
Hold on, let me see. Oh no, just look at me straight real quick. Oh yeah. Oh, the divots? Oh yeah.
You fat. Got hypey doing these pull down and that ambition sweatsuit. What you got, white boy? Let's go, Woodrow. Get that money, Wood. Let's see what we got. Come on, give us a bow. We need 5 bows, man. Come on. For your followers and subscribers and viewers. Yeah. It burnt. Oh, you alright? You alright, BFF? You alright, BFF? Don't cry. Come on, didn't you hear enough crying last night? Yeah. Woo. It'll be good and sore, boy, for a few days. I've been hit back in last Wednesday, I think. Pump to the max, man. Pump to the max. Make sure you go get this hat at hypeylife.com.
All right, buddy.
Think they want to see these cuts, man?
Somebody does.
Show them cuts in the mountain.
All right.
I just didn't want to
What?
make nobody feel bad. That's why I try to stay covered up now.
Why do you call him fat then?
Cause you can't be fat.
Oh.
Fat equals heart attack.
Oh.
You know, when you're overweight,
Yeah.
that brings the heart to a different state. You know, fat is the enemy, man. We don't even like eating fat when we eat a steak, right?
Nah.
You eat the fat on the steak?
No, I don't.
How's it like? Oh, but the keto people like fat.
They do.
The keto dieters, they want to saturate their arteries and veins up with fat because you lose weight, you get leaner, right? But you get leaner but clog everything up. That's smart. Bitch. Still got it for an old man. Where the youngsters at? They ain't puffy. Full of creatine or protein. Like 195, dumb, shredded. No salt. Really no food. Still crazy. Bro, y'all, hey, I'm here for you. You know what I mean? Y'all listen to all these wannabes forcing themselves to try to bees, and I'm here. I was born to be. You hear me? Yeah, I was born for this shit, bro. When I was a little bitty kid, didn't even work out. I was shredded, bro. You know, y'all trying a little bit too hard. This is my first workout. What, all week? No, I did another. We did a chest workout, second workout. Working out is secondary, bro. When you eat like I eat, once at the most twice a day, all clean food, come on, this is what it look like. This is what clean eating look like, with no protein and creatine, bro. I'm crazy. Ugh. No Tren, no Clean, no T3, no Deca, no Debo, no Anadrol. Tests are just, I use hyphy tests from hyphy like that guy. Oh man, outdoing all the youngsters. If I was in my 20s right now, Kali Muscle old wouldn't be outdoing me. He wouldn't have no money than me. He wouldn't be more cut and muscular and high libido as me. Ooh. Ah. Woo. Come on.
Come on, OG.
Ah. I'm cut. I'm shredded, dude. And hey, man. Good God, dude. And that's off 1 meal a day. Fish and rice. Damn. See what when you don't eat like society tell you have to eat, that this is the results. Yeah. Whatever they tell me is good, I do the opposite. They told me weed was good. I grew it. I knew it ain't good. I never smoked. They said depression pills good. Never did it. Everybody else convinced. They said, eat 6 times a day. I said, nah, you know what? I'm gonna eat once a day. It's the best of my life. Y'all better. Wait, hold on. I know your eyes glued. You gotta. Open your good eyes. Show 'em, tight.
I see.
I love not eating. I wouldn't eat again in my life if I look like this all the time. Oh, you like something besides a Benz? I thought you only like Benzes. Oh yeah, crazy. Feel like I'm on Mac and Little Shrooms, boy. You see my eyes? That's from driving the GT500 Shelby. No armor off.
Omar, no armor on.
Yeah.
Only rim good lavado.
That's from driving the GT500, man.
Are you serious? You're not making that up? What are you doing?
I'm not making it up. Nothing I do is made up, is it? He didn't answer that. This is dope.
Barcelona. You didn't know this is Barcelona?
Barcelona.
Yeah, you didn't know.
This is dope.
Shout out to my Barcelona partners, man. He didn't know.
My kids, they don't like playing with like that, yeah. I be wanting to get them stuff, but I'm like, what's the purpose? Thank you. Oh yeah, I love
It's like,
that.
Joe, can I smell it real quick? Damn. Kind of,
Yeah, the best.
smells like Gushers or something. Yeah.
Wow. I forgot about him, man.
Oh yeah, this is good stuff. Was the mango fire? Oh, look at this. Like
Those
the
are
stuff the
warm.
other day.
Wow.
The mango. Was it the mango or the cantaloupe? Fruit flavor. Mainly sugar.
Chili pineapple.
Chili tamarino.
Ginger.
I'm gonna get cantaloupe.
I'm not supposed to eat ginger.
Hey, how's it
How
going?
you doing? Long time.
Yes. Coffee peanuts for you?
No, thank you. Nothing
I'll try
crunchy
it.
for me. I
Thank
got
you.
these teeth, man.
Thank you.
Got these teeth, man. Ain't nothing crunchy to me. Ooh, dry apples. I need them. What's that in it? Sulfur these.
They all have. Ooh, I'm gonna have to try that.
Cranberry.
Oh, thank you.
Blackberry.
Cantaloupe. I already grabbed that one.
I like the cantaloupe.
There we go.
Mango. I wonder if I should just. I got the pineapple one. Big boy.
Oh, yeah. Here.
You like a cat?
Big boy. Oh, that's right. He the only vato in Mexican I know don't like spicy stuff, huh? He really, big boy really ain't Mexican.
That's what they said.
What is that tamarind?
What's tamarind?
It's spicy, a little spicy.
Okay.
This is, watch out, it's the seed.
Is it hot?
Oh, the seed.
Yeah, you like it this?
No, I don't want none, thank you. Yeah, salmon is my go-to. Salmon and tilapia, to be honest. Natural. Salad. Oh, that's nice. How much for each one of those?
They run $12.99 a pound. After it'll be $12.45.
Oh, okay.
End of the day, I make 12.
And then what the? Let me see the salmon.
Down the Scottish and the Atlantic.
Oh, okay. Let me get that. Honey is the secret of life. It revitalizes you and gives you the strength. It goes through your kidneys, then your spleen. It comes back into your skin. And you know, if your skin not healthy, you're not healthy. It's an organ. You see. And I learned that from my sensei.
You're welcome.
Sage blossom. Ooh, that sounds good. Orange blossom.
Oh, that one is good. Orange blossom's fire. I had a big vat of it. It's better than the avocado, in my opinion.
Oh, yeah, that don't even sound right. Avocado on honey. You take card?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Let me get one of these orange blossoms. Ooh, look at him, boy. Yeah, I'm just gonna powder coat this motherfucker.
So what? Ooh, show them some car
See
content.
this, man? You see this? It was dirty earlier, but now it's hooked up. Look at that. Tire stickers clean. A little scuffed up, but I ain't worried about that. We're gonna get some new wheels. Look at it. Look at the cleanness. Look at this. Wow. Look at the Cobra on the seat. Oh my God. Ford Performance. This is a beauty, I tell you. Look at that Cobra. Look at that. Shelby GT500. These so the hood don't blow off. Wow, look at the lights. What a beauty. See you next time. You guys, this is you guys' car. I'm only bringing it here.
Yeah?
Nobody else know how to do it.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice, fast too.
We pick up our other cars next Saturday, so we're gonna start bringing them here. Thank you, thank you. So, you hungry? We
Not
can go
really.
to the other side. All right. Damn, I was supposed to do some runs in this before I got it washed.
Oh. It'll get dirty again.
Yo, we just leaving the guy, car wash, we leaving the car wash. He got a cold star. Sorry,
Stuff, but for the most part,
GT500, baby. Coming out of car wash, you gotta come out of here easy though, you know what I mean? You gotta, let me see, that is kinda not showing my hat. You like this hat? Go to hypelylife.com, man. Woo! I get so excited when I get in this, man. Let's go, baby! Been a good day, got to work out in, went to the farmer's market. Got this beauty wash, first wash since I had it. I'm gonna roll down a window. I just hate rolling down my window after I get a wash. It's, most of the time it leaves those streaks. Like my seat sitting high, up a little bit.
awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.